Chief Judicial Magistrate dismissed the bail application filed by the Rahul Ishar at the time of production and also remanded the same to the judicial custody for the 14 days. So against that order, we filed the bail application before the Sessions Court yesterday itself, and it was numbered on 5 o'clock yesterday. After that, we came to know that the police is going to file the custody application before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court for the further investigation. So I came here and I got the copy of the said application and perused the documents, and it revealed that they wanted the Rahul Ishar for the further investigation related to any suspect if he the police asked the concerned court that he will one minute. Now, police wanted to investigate the further videos which he will publish in future. That is their contention. That they wanted to investigate the same. So, at that time, I argued that there is no need for 3 days interrogation. Only 1 day is enough, because the house of the Rahul Ishar is at Trivandrum and office also is at Trivandrum. They can easily search the house and also office today itself. So I argued that we are conceding for 1 day for further investigation. But the court ordered 2 days, allowed the police to take the custody for 2 days till tomorrow 5 o'clock. That I don't know, I am not commenting about it. I am telling related to the question of law only.